So, nandito na kami guys. Gusto ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung nasaan kami. Di ba? Iniwan ako. Iniwan ba ako? Hindi, may snow na guys. Tingnan nyo guys. May snow na dito. May snow na. Ayan, may snow na. Ayan, may snow na siya. Diba? Dito kami sa summit guys. Oh my gosh, daddy! Oh, ayan, ang dami ng snow guys. Ayan. Diba? Yan. This is amazing here. So, ayan guys. Nag-snow na dito. Pero ang ganda ng weather dito. Hindi naman masyadong malamig. Ayan. How is it down there? What? See? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's scary.
If the road is open, I will go up there.
Yeah, but they're closed though. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Doon, oh, pwede ka doon mag-hike. Pwede ka doon mag-hike pataas doon. Ang kaso, close na nila. Kasi nga pa winter na, di ba? Ayan, oh. Go! So, ito siya. So, ito yung pali. Ganda, di ba? Ito na kami sa summit. Ayan. So, ito na yung sinaka. Iniwan nila ako. Dito kami sa summit guys. Wala na. Okay yung weather. Hindi naman siya masyadong malamig. Pero nag-snow dito. Kasi mataas na dito na area eh. Ayan. Ayan. Maliligo na naman. Pero hindi naman kasi hindi siya hindi siya maalikabok. Kasi black level lang. Andyan lang siya. Malinis naman siya. So far. So far so good si black level. Diba? Pero pag matagal kasi nahawakan ko yung snow guys, medyo malamig yung kamay ko. Na-freeze na siya. We're going up now, so I need to ride. So, ayan. Akit pa kami dun sa taas guys. Ayan. Ayan o. Diba, bongga. Dito kami sa taas. So, yan ang na-close nila kasi nga, siya. Ewan ko kung bakit, pero close siya. Access restricted na for emergency access only. So, ayan guys, pakita ko na sa inyo ang kabuuan nitong aming road trip. Ayan siya. What do you think guys? Wow, this is amazing guys. Look at that. May snow na talaga. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Kaya lang pero medyo foggy lang doon sa medyo foggy sa taas. But still nice. Magkikita pa rin siya. Sobrang ganda oh.
What are you up here? And I saw in the YouTube the guys going down there.
So hello guys, nandito na kami sa summit. Ayan.
Mag-live man ako.
Ayan, tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? Ganda. Ano dito? Oh. Ito lang. Basta yan na. Ano kaya dyan? Ayan o. Ang liit niya, guys. Ang liit niya. Napag-isahan na naman siya.
Mahina.
Let's go. Come here. Come on. They're flying snow, guys. They're flying snow.
I don't know.
Ayan, may snow.
Squish. Let's see.
Sa city wala pang snow eh. Dito pa lang sa bundok. Mas na dito. Guys, pwede ditong dumaan yung sasakyan. Pero, napaka-tricky lang niya at saka ang lalim. Yes! Okay, come here. We're gonna clean up. I think it's a snow.
I think we're gonna eat lunch.
Pero doon, pwede ka din mag-drive doon. Pero close na nila eh. Tapos dito, open dito. Pero parang hindi ako, hindi, I'm not comfortable to do it. Nabababa dito yung truck, guys. So, wag na. Mahirap na at kami lang. So, hindi na kami baba doon. So, kakain muna kami dito, guys. Dito kami magluluto ng aming pagkain. Hindi namin magluluto, actually. Eh. Luto na siya, actually.
Oh, you don't have socks?
Ha?
You're just only monkey.
Yan yung tatay niya. Dahil mawala lang lahat, hindi lang ay rice cooker. Bahala na. O, yung nose mo, dading. I'm gonna get the wipes.
Dami-dami kong dalang ibo yung sinagbaho.
Nalipat ako. Dalong ko kita nito eh.
Can I watch on my phone? Can I watch on my phone? Your phone? Yeah, I want.
Where is it? I'm gonna give it the blanket. Sit down on the chair.
Let's eat, guys.
Oh my goodness, what did you do on your boots? Ay nako, Memphis, they have extra shoes. Oh, Daddy, look at what happened to their shoes, Dada.
As long they're happy, it's fine.
Yeah, are you cold? No, it's just running now.
Oh, it's your cold.
It's just my hands that are cold. It's so hot.
You guys sit down here, huh?
Why do I sit up on the dirt? Oh my
So
God.
we can, so we can get our ice.
At namnamin ang ganda nitong mundo.
It's in there on the front. Go get it. My hands is cold. Sit down here.
Mainit na pa tubig, di na.
Yeah, I want to
Ano
watch.
ka? Hindi naman may kape ka man to.
I want to watch on my phone.
Okay, go sit down here.
I don't need the blanket.
Are you sure? Are you cold?
I'm
Oh, the other side na.
No, I don't need the
Your hands so that you can put your hands
I
inside.
like my burgers upside down. I want fried food.
Mali.
You have your burger. There's no
It's nice to be here, eh?
Yeah.
Hmm?
My cheese.
Hmm?
Good.
Ba, hindi isa.
It's too cold out here already.
Hindi ko patita ang brands ng imong na dati.
There's signal in here.
Kain kami guys.
Sarap kumain dito, guys. Hmm.
So, dapat kumain ka na agad-agad. Kasi yung ano mo, yung kanin mo.
Ang kanin, okay lang.
Yung
Hindi-
sabaw mo, mabilis nang mag-ano. Mabilis na siyang... Ayan. Ganito lang kami guys kasimple. Ganito lang ang buhay namin. Kain!
Sarap. Maya,
Malamig
van
tapos
life na lang
mainit.
kami nito.
Diba? Yung dalawa guys nagbo-burger, kami naman rice.
Rice for life.
Rice is life.
You know where we could sing that song if we want?
Ang sarap ng sabaw. Mainit pa. Na, ano, labog. Manok na may labog. Labog sa amon ba? Hindi ko alam sa inyo tawag.
We can sing as
Ang sarap. Sarap ng sabaw guys. Kain everyone.
How's your burger, kuya?
Yung dalawa nag-burger. Kain. Kulitan na sila mag-ama.
Daddy, what happened?
No, Kuya and Daddy are playing with the snow.
Battle.
Are playing with snow lang.
Wanted to play in your band. I tried my rain instrument and I tried my wind.
Oh no. Oh no. Go get Daddy, come on, go. Good job, Kuya. You got Daddy.
You're the one telling this story. Can we let her play in the band with us? I suck.
Uh,
Let her